Oh, that's a good one. Clear outside throw in. Throw in for Virar. Well, to all our viewers on YouTube, we have crossed the 10 o'clock barrier for sound, and hence the commentary is available only on YouTube. And that was a very beautiful opportunity, good opportunity for Manipur, which they missed. He was in the right place at the right time, but he could not put it into the right place. Manikpur. Goal kick for Virar. Oh, that was nicely stopped by Manikpur, but they lose the position once again. Manikpur defenders, they are doing really well. Well, the Virar players are a little quicker, but very good defense. Nice blocking, nice piece of blocking by Manipur. Ball goes out of place, throw in. This match is a veterans match, but well, the energy that the veterans have, it doesn't look like it's a veterans match. And it's really good to see all these veterans so energetic. And now Manipur, once again, an opportunity. Oh, well, there was absolutely no power in that kick. The goalkeeper had no trouble whatsoever collecting the ball with ease. Manipur once again in position of the ball on the right. Manipur look trying to find a player, can't find him, and the ball goes out of play. It's a corner for Manipur. The match is getting really exciting now. Manikpur to take the corner kick. I think this is the first corner for Manikpur. Lot of red shirts in the penalty box, and well, they try to head it. Ball is cleared. There's only one player, and well, it's a good piece of defending by the Manikpur. Virar. Free kick to Manipur. Gives it to the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper gives it on the left wing. Looking for a man. He finds him. Well, there's an opportunity for Manipur. And it is cleared away, but Manipur still has the position. Ball goes out of play, and it's a goal kick. Oh, it's headed away by the Manikpur defense. Throw in for Virar. Manipur once again. Lovely kick. There's a man there. He has found him. Can he do something? Okay, well, he just takes a tap and it goes out. I wouldn't call that good thinking. Manikpur once again. Virar. Ball goes out of play. Virar. Manikpur. Throw in for Manikpur. Virar on the left wing. Ball goes out of play and it's a goal kick. Manipur once again. And that's the end of the first half with the goal, with the score at nil. Both the teams really putting a lot of pressure on each other. Manipur really doing well. They did lose a few opportunities. They lost a few opportunities. Well, the second half is just going to start. Manipur team is on the field and there is some discussion, instructions, strategies being discussed with the Virar team. Virar team. Well, as you can see, Virar team is much quicker. They have that energy, they have that speed, but for some reason they are unable to connect with each other. Whereas the Manipur team, they are very precise. But only when they come to the final place of scoring the goal, they have a problem. That's the beginning of the second half. Manikpur. There's only one player surrounded by four defenders, and the ball is cleared. Goes out of play. Throw in. It's a throw in for Manikpur. Into the box. Well, it was headed by a Manipur player. That's a nice crack, but goes just wide of the goal post. Another opportunity for Manipur. Manipur had, I'll say, more shots at the goal, more opportunities than Virar. Goal kick. That's a good one. Manipur. Manipur once again. Oh, that was kicked wide outside. And it's a throw in for Manikpur. Manikpur in the second half really putting on pressure on the Virar team. In the box. Good try. Virar. Well, it was blocked by the Manikpur mids. Well, they are making. Oh, that is. Oh, that was a lovely pass from Manikpur, but he failed to connect it. Once again, Manikpur really putting on the pressure. There, oh, once again, just misses it. Manikpur really playing well, but when it comes to the final stages, well, they are not very. Manipur, once again, a nice opportunity. Well, they had a player, but it was nicely headed by the Virar. Once again, Manipur, an opportunity, but no power in that kick. Easily collected by the Virar goalkeeper. Little bit of pushing over there. Free kick. The goalkeeper has gone all the way to take that free kick with only one defender. Throw in. Foul throw. Manikpur to take the throw in. Virar. Still in position. Manikpur. A very good pass. That's a through ball, but couldn't get through the defense of the Virar. Virar in position. Virar players. Nicely spread all over. On the wing. A corner for Virar. Once again, another corner. In the penalty area goes over all the players. Throw in for Manipur. Manipur looking for a man on the right. Well, it was blocked by a defender. Manipur still in control, still with the ball in the position where it's crossed over to the left, but it was wide and the forward could not. Throw in. Virar. Nice cross to the left. Well, Manipur, the ball goes out of play. Referee not very happy with ball was purposely kicked out. Virar once again. And that's into the box. Well, it was nicely. Virar, goal kick. Goal kick for Manipur. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Manipur, can they do it? Oh, what an opportunity. I think the Manipur forwards need to scrub their left foot. Manipur once again. Manipur still in possession of the ball. That was nicely anticipated by the Virar defense. The ball goes to the goalkeeper, collected nicely. Well, that's a good decision, and it's a free kick right in front of the box, penalty box for Manipur. Manipur, can they convert this one? There is a wall of only two. The referee asking them to move. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4 Manipur players in, well, a lot of commotion. And you can see the crowds cheering for Manipur. And it's there. Oh, it is cleared by the Virar. There was a little bit of pushing and the referee gives it in the favor of Virar. Virar to take the free kick. That's a good shot. Nicely headed by the Manipur defense. Virar managed to headed back, but nobody to take it. There is some pushing. Oh, there is some pushing, and the referee blows the whistle. Free kick for Manikpur. Well, this is not, there's a problem. Maybe the temperature is not very hot, but it's causing the players to lose their cool. We have got 4 red shirts. Oh, that was a close one. Corner. Corner for Manikpur. There is an opportunity. Four red shirts in the penalty box. That was a good one. And they put it in. What a beauty. What a beauty. It's a real beauty by excellent work. Pankaj. Fantastic. Pankaj, come on. Let's cheer it. Make noise. Shout. An absolute beauty from nowhere. Just headed it in. Virar now getting desperate. Oh, that's a yellow card. That's a yellow card for Linus. Free kick to Virar. Well, Manikpur cannot afford to do all this after they have. And that's the end of the game. And Manikpur are the winners of the second veteran match. All thanks to Pankaj scoring the goal in the last minute of the match. This was really great.